Okay, trade recap. I had this trade, a very quick trade that I had. So first, what I did is I went to the 1 hour time frame and I checked if where is the higher time frame institutional order flow. So as you can see, have been going up since yesterday. Not just yesterday, but the day before yesterday. And so this current day, which is Friday, the last day of the week, price has been consolidating, right? As you can see right here. But on the daily time frame, I saw this one, a volume imbalance formed way back like June 25th and June 26th. The This one right here. And so I went down to the lower time frame, waiting for price to tap this daily volume imbalance. During the London session, you can use this volume imbalance as your point of interest, which you can find, or yeah, you can find a SMR or a smart money reversal, but a short term one. You can just trade like 1 to 3 or 1 to 2 trade, easy, right? A very simple strategy. No, when you see huge, when you see a PD array came from the higher time frame, that gives more weight. It has more credibility. Now, going back, since it's the London session, let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. After price tapped this daily volume imbalance, what price did is that it took some liquidity down here, this one right here, and then price just pushed to the upside, closing above this candle, which is a 1 hour bullish 1 hour bullish order block. This is an obvious one because since it's the higher time frame, the last bearish candlestick, once price engulfed it on the high right here, this high right here, if this candle closes above this high, it's gonna be your order block. So I marked it out. I went to the 15-minute time frame. I checked if there's anything significant that can give us more confidence. As you can see, this candlestick right here has a huge wick. So I can use that as a PD array because since the rejection is a form of a PD array in a form of rejection block. That's a rejection block right here. That's 15-minute. Let's mark that out. 15-minute bullish. Yeah, rejection block. And let's go down to the lower time frame. Since price tapped this 15-minute rejection block, we are now looking for a smart money reversal. Now, as you can see, price created these lower lows, then grab some liquidity here since there's is a fair value gap here. So grab some liquidity there, used it to push lower, then broke this low right here with this huge engulfing candlestick, and then it tapped the 15-minute bullish rejection block and created a smart money reversal in a form of order block. Where is the order block? Order block is a sign of you can use order block as a form of reversal. So if you see one right there, you can use it. You can consider it as a change in the state of delivery. There you go. Change in state of delivery. And this two candlestick, if you combine them, it's a order block on the higher time frame, which this one right here, this 3 minute candlestick, on the 5 minute it's not, but on the 3 minute it is. Now I used it as my entry point. That's my entry parameters, and I place my stop loss below here. As you can see, when price closed above this high with this candlestick, price immediately turned lower and tapping this fair value gap. You can use the fair value gap also as a form of entry, but I chose this order block. You can choose this, or you can choose this one, all right, or this one, because this is the lower one. You can use this also, but for me this is the closest one, so I grabbed that opportunity to take that out. So this trade is 3-1, targeting this 1 hour bullish fair value gap, because this is a point of interest as well. And as you can see, as price tap this 1 hour bullish fair value gap, price then consolidated. So if there's a push to the upside and then price consolidated, you can be sure that the price is going to continue to go up, or grab some liquidity here and then reverses to go down. But since my higher time frame institutional order flow is bullish, I'm still considering bullish. You know, my objective today, after the 9:30, I'm gonna be looking for buys. That's it. That's my objective. So that's the end of the video, because it's raining outside. And peace.